Hi friends, today I am going to discuss arithmetic operators in Java. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. You may all familiar with these operators, but let me discuss once. Addition operators is used to add two numbers. Subtraction operator minus is subtract second number from first. Multiplication operator multiplies two numbers. Division operators divides first number by second number. Modulus operator returns remainder of division. So we have to follow some rules whenever we are using arithmetic operators. If we perform any arithmetic operation between two variables a and b, then the result type is always max of int comma type of a comma type of b. For example, byte plus byte always results int type because here the rule says max of int comma type of a comma type of b. Here type of a is byte, type of b is byte, so the byte size is 1 byte, int size is 4 bytes, so the max is int, so the result is int. Like that, byte plus short results in int. Let's see, max of int comma byte comma short. Here short is 2 bytes, byte is 1 byte, int is 4 bytes, so the max is int, so the result is int. Same like int plus long is equals to long. Max of int comma int type of a is int, type of b is long. So int is 4 bytes, int is 4 bytes, and long is 8 bytes, so the result max is long, so the result is long. We have to remember this rule, so it helps in cracking interviews. Interviewer may easily confuse you in these aspects. And next we'll go to see what is infinity in Java. In Java, infinity can occur in arithmetic operations when using floating point numbers, float or double type. It does not occur with integers, int, long, short, byte, because dividing an integer by 0 results in arithmetic exception. Whenever we divide an integer, that is int, long, short or byte, by 0, it raises runtime exception, that is arithmetic exception, that is divide by 0. But whenever we are dealing with floating point numbers, that is float or double, we results in infinity, that is 10 divided by 0.0, it results in infinity, and minus 10.0 by 0.0, it is a floating point literal, so it doesn't raises any error, it results in minus infinity. So infinity only happens whenever we deal with floating point numbers, not with integers. And next we'll see what is NaN. NaN name itself says that it is not a number. It's not a number. It is a special floating point value in Java that represents an undefined or unrepresentable numerical result. It is undefined or unrepresentable. It is not equal to any number including itself. Whenever we see 10 is equal to nan, results in false. Like that, it is not equals to any number. In integral arithmetic, byte, short, int, long, there is no way to represent undefined numbers. In floating point, there is a way to represent undefined number, but in integers like byte, short, int, long, there is no way to represent undefined numbers. Hence, if the result is undefined, we will get runtime exception saying arithmetic exception. For example, 0 by 0. It is unrepresentable number, that is it is undefined, so it raises an exception because it is integral arithmetic, but it is either byte, short, int or long. It's not a floating point literal. But if it is a floating point arithmetic, that is float or double, there will not get any error. For undefined results, we'll get NaN. It says that It is not a number. That is 0.0 by 0 is a floating point literal. So the result is NaN. And we see what is string concatenation operator plus. The string concatenation operator is used to join two or more strings. That for example, string s1 is equals to hello, string s2 is equals to word, string str is equals to s1 plus space plus s2. That is string str becomes hello world. So we are using plus, that is concatenation operator, to join the strings. And if at least one argument is string, then plus operator acts as concatenation operator. If we take two or more arguments, if at least one argument is string, then it will become concatenation operator. It just joins those two arguments. And if both arguments are numbers, then it will perform as usual addition. In Java, the expressions evaluation occur from left to right whenever we use plus operator. And if a string appears first, everything after it is treated as a string and concatenated to the end of a string. For example, here we take string str is equals to apple and int a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20, c is equals to 30. Whenever we are going to print a plus b plus c, it is 60. And a plus b plus c plus string, we are doing from left to right. So a plus b plus c results in 60, and 60 plus str, that is 60 plus apple, is 60 apple. Those two are being concatenated. Until and unless we get a string, the normal addition is being performed. And we approach string here, initial step only. So after the string, all the numbers are being concatenated. So here we resulted in apple 10, 20, 30. And next example, a plus b plus str plus c. A plus b is a normal addition because we are not approached with string. So a plus b is 30. Until here there is a normal addition, and now we got a string as a second argument. So 30 plus string apple is 30 apple. So the entire thing becomes string. So 30 apple plus 30 is 30 apple, 30 is a result. And now we go for exercise. Please pause the video and answer the questions. First question. What will be the output of the following Java expression? 10 by 0.0. It is a floating point literal. So actually it is undefined, but as it is floating point, it results in infinity. And what is the result type when performing an arithmetic operation between a byte and a short in Java? As we know that the result is always max of int comma type of a comma type of b. So here type of a is byte and type of b is short. So int is max, so the result is int. Third one. What will be the output of the following code snippet? String str is equals to hello, int x is equals to 10, y is equals to 20, and system.out.println of x plus y plus str. First we have to do x plus y. We have to move from left to right. So in x plus y we have to do the normal addition, that is x plus y is 30. And then 30 is being added to string. So we have approach a string. So we have to perform concatenation. 30 plus hello is equals to 30 hello. the correct answer. And fourth question. What will be the output of the following expression? 0.0 by 0. It is a floating point literal. So in floating point numbers, there is no undefined. We doesn't raise any error whenever we see the undefined values. So the result is nan. It is not a number. We doesn't get any error. If this is 0 by 0, it raises an arithmetic exception by 0. But it is a floating point literal, so it doesn't raise any error. It outputs as not a number. Fifth question. What will be the output of the following Java code? First, we have to move from left to right. First 10 is added with 20, 30. It becomes 30. Then 30 plus Java. We have approached string. So 30 plus Java is being concatenated as 30 Java. So 30 Java is a string. Then after a string, all are being concatenated to it. So 30 Java 30 40. So option A is correct option. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.